Hi, and I'm Adam, and I'm one of the product leads from the Despatch Company, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you around our Helm product. So when you log in, you're greeted by the dashboard, and each one of these tiles represents an order status where you can easily manage your orders within your warehouse processes. These tiles can be customized to help you easily filter order types. Then we have our orders menu. When selecting the orders menu, it takes you to the orders overview. And up here we have our filters on an easy drop down where you can select to be able to minimize your total order view. You can save these filters for easy access next time to speed up your filtering processes. On this screen you can sort your orders, and you can also customize the view if you wish. When you select one or more orders, you have this menu where you can easily do bulk actions. You can also do print commands, creations, merge orders if there's more than one order going to the same address, set a status of an order or orders, and add tags to selected orders as well. Inventory section. We also have filters in here where you can filter your inventory by, and you've also got a stock summary to give you a quick overview of your stocks and your locations for that individual product. If you want a more detailed view, you can simply click on the Manage Inventory button, where it opens up the inventory card for this product. This is where you can easily manage your information for that product and see all of the details available for it as well. This is just a quick video of Helm. Thank you.